On a bright morning, the forest friends gathered for a delightful picnic beneath the grand big oak tree. Each animal brought something special, but Milo the monkey showed up with a gigantic basket overflowing with juicy berries. He hugged his basket tightly, longing to keep all the sweetness for himself. As they settled down, Ellie the elephant shared her delicious leafy wraps, while Toby the turtle offered crunchy seeds. Leo the lion broke his bread into smaller pieces, ensuring everyone had a bite, and Mimi the panda poured warm bamboo tea for each friend. Milo watched quietly, feeling the warmth of friendship all around him. Then, he noticed a small squirrel nearby, looking sad and empty-handed. In that moment, Milo paused and smiled. Tilting his basket forward, he exclaimed, "Let's all share together!" The berries were passed around, laughter filled the clearing, and the picnic felt like the warmest celebration of friendship.